All right, this is question number 31 on the TNReady practice test for geometry. The question says, triangles RST, and this little sign means similar, is similar to triangle UVW. Now, when we talk about similarity, what you have to remember is that corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are proportional. It tells us that the dilation that maps triangle RST to triangle UVW has a dilation factor of 2/3, which means it's 2/3 the original size. The measure of angle R is 20 degrees. So in this setup, RST, and none of these are going to, I can't even pretend like that was going to be a thing. This one's just a little bit over. There we go. So we'll call this R and this S, and this is 20 degrees. The measure of angle S is 100, so I guess I should switch those, because I made the 100-degree angle down here on purpose, so I could sort of half draw it. And the measure of angle T. So they want to know, what is the measure in degrees of angle W? Now, to be fair, the dilation factor really doesn't have anything to do with anything here. The question they're asking about is about angles, and corresponding angles are congruent. So all we need to find is what angle here corresponds to W, find its measure, and then we'll have our answer. So based on the order, the similarity statement, R corresponds to U, S corresponds to V, and T corresponds to W. That's the one we want. We want this one right here. So angle T is whatever is left over from the fact that the sum of the angles of a triangle are 180. So I might do 100 plus 20 and get 120. So it would be 60-degree angle here. So that's the measure of angle T, and since two triangles are similar and T corresponds to W, the measure of angle W is also 60 degrees. So that's it. You don't need to do anything with the dilation factor. I think they were just kind of throwing that in there to maybe as a distractor. If you're working with the angles of similar triangles, you just have to know that they're congruent. So don't overthink it and try to make it into something that it's not. Sometimes it's as easy as it seems, and that's the lesson for the end of this.